Page 771, number 23. Find the definite integral by computing the area. So the first one is we're going to find the integral of 3x from 0 to 5 dx. And what I did is I graphed it. So I put 0 in for x and I got 0. And I put 5 in for x and I got 15. And it's a linear function. So I drew the line and I see that this creates a triangle. So what I have is I have a triangle with a base of 5 units and height of 15 units. So to find the value of my definite integral, so I'm going to take the integral from 0 to 5 of 3x dx, and I get the same as doing 1/2 the length of the base times the height. And when I do that calculation, I get that the definite integral is 37.5 square units. But since we're finding a definite integral, it's going to be 37.5.